This is the Hamilton Beach 10-cup capacity rice cooker. It comes with a 5-year warranty, but we're about to lose that warranty because we've been using this rice cooker for almost 5 years. And we cook rice every day. The fact that we were able to use this for almost 5 years now, it speaks how well built this rice cooker is. And you could probably notice the scratches and dents on this rice cooker because we not only use it at home, but we also bring this with us in our outdoor activities. Now let me show you the 6 cooking modes of this rice cooker. First one is white rice, quick rice, whole grain, heat or simmer, steam cook, and keep warm. And to quickly explain these modes, the white rice is what we normally use to cook rice if we're cooking more than 2 cups. The quick rice, if you're cooking 2 cups or less. And the whole grain, it's perfect for brown rice. I love those white buns with meat inside, like the shu pao, and also the dumplings like the shumai. And I use the steam cook to cook them. Now let me do a quick demonstration on how to use this front panel so you can select the cooking mode that you want. All you need to do is just press the select mode until you get to the cooking mode that you want to use. Now you can leave it and in 5 seconds it will start on its own, or press the start button. This rice cooker also comes with a plastic serving spoon, and it has a handle on its own right on the side of the rice cooker, and a steaming tray. This is the one that you can use to steam those shu pao and shumai. Now let's cook some rice. Let me show you how to cook rice properly. It's not that hard. For those of you who are afraid of cooking rice, it's very simple. It's 1:1 ratio. It means 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. And using this measurement will give you a perfectly cooked rice, which is a huge difference from a rice cooked from a microwave. It's highly recommended that you wash your rice at least twice to get rid of those powder, because rice, they rub together in the packaging, so they have powder in it, and washing it will allow your rice to be less sticky without that sticky feel when you eat it. And like what I said, it's 1:1. This rice cooker also has a delay time feature which allows you to set it to 15 minutes before it starts cooking. And that's the rice that is perfect if you want to make sushi. Now let's start the rice cooker. That's the delay time that I'm referring to. And let's set it to white rice. Press start. And in approximately 45 minutes, the rice will be ready. I completely forgot about it, and it's been 26 minutes since this rice is cooked. And here you are, perfect rice. So get yours today, the Hamilton Beach rice cooker.